In this lesson, we are going to see how we can differentiate logarithmic function, meaning we are looking at differentiating logarithmic functions. Then, to differentiate y is equal to ln of x. Ln x is a logarithmic function. You can use the fact that the inverse of ln x is actually e to power x. So therefore, if you have y is equal to ln x, where we can transform it as a natural log, and y is equal to log base e of x. Remember, ln x is log base e of x. Then, if we rewrite it in this form, we realize that we can have e to power y is equal to x. And then, therefore, differentiating e to power y, we get e to power y dy by dx. And then differentiating x, we get 1. So therefore, the expression becomes e to power y dy by dx is equal to 1. Then, if we divide through by e to power y, we end up having dy by dx is equal to 1 out of e to power y. But remember, our e to power y is x. Our e to power y is equal to x. Then, therefore, our dy by dx ends up being 1 out of x. Therefore, when you differentiate ln of x, you actually get 1 out of x. Now, if you are to deal with complicated natural logarithmic expression, we use chain rule, as we are going to see in our examples. Now let us see our first example. In this example, we are going to differentiate ln of x power 3 minus 4x. X power 3 minus 4x. Now we begin by let u to be x power 3 minus 4x. Then it means our y is equal to ln of u. Therefore, if we differentiate du with respect to x, we get 3x squared minus 4, comma, our dy by du becomes 1 out of u. Therefore, using chain rule, so we use chain rule in this case. So using chain rule, we state it very well. Our dy by dx is equal to our dy by du times du dx. Now we substitute in accordingly. So we have 1 out of u times 3x squared minus 4. So substituting back our u, so it becomes 3x squared minus 4 out of x power 3 minus 4x. That is our dy by dx of y is equal to ln of x power 3 minus 4x. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if it has helped you. In this example, we are going to differentiate with respect to x. Y is equal to ln 8x. Now let us see it. We begin by letting our u, to be 8x. After letting our u, it means our y is now ln of u. Therefore, if we differentiate du with respect to x as we did in the earlier example, we shall get 8. Now we differentiate y with respect to u, that's dy by du, it gives us 1 out of u. Now using chain rule, so we are going to use chain rule. So using chain rule, so we state it after and say that our dy by dx is now dy by du times du dx. Therefore, we substitute in correctly 1 out of u as our dy by du times 8, which is du dx. So putting them back, we shall have 8 out of 8x and then divide through So we end up having 1 out of x. That's our y by dx. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if this video was helpful to you. Thank you.